Welcome. If you want to make sure you never miss when someone mentions you in their Instagram bio, this guide is for you. Today, you'll learn how to enable notifications for mentions in bio on the Instagram app for PC using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. If you're not already logged in, enter your details and access your account. Once you're inside, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the profile icon. It's the one that looks like a small person. This will take you straight to your profile page. Now, on your profile page, find the notifications option in the menu. Click on it to open up your notification settings. This is where you can control how and when Instagram alerts you about different activities. Within the notifications menu, look for the push notifications section. Click on it to access more detailed notification settings. Push notifications are the alerts that pop up on your device or browser, keeping you updated in real time. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Mentions in Bio. This setting determines whether you get notified when someone adds your username to their Instagram bio. By default, this might be set to off or to notify you only from profiles you follow. To make sure you receive all possible mentions, select the option From Everyone. This way, whenever anyone, whether you follow them or not, mentions you in their bio, you'll get a notification immediately. It's the best way to stay in the loop and never miss an important mention. That's it. You've now enabled notifications for mentions in bio from everyone on Instagram, right from your PC. With this simple update, you'll always be the first to know when someone highlights you in their profile. Stay connected, stay informed, and make the most of your Instagram experience. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with friends who want to boost their Instagram awareness. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Instagram.